Welcome. In this video, let's decode two powerful AI hardware components, the NPUs and VPUs. That is, the neural processing unit and the vision processing unit. Both will be compared. NPUs or neural processing units are designed for deep learning inference. Like you can think of running models, making predictions, and handling matrix operations. VPUs, the vision processing units, on the other hand, are experts in handling camera inputs, video processing, and spatial analysis. These key players are very important in the edge computing devices where power and latency really matters. The NPUs aim for intelligence, VPUs aim for vision. What are the strengths and use cases that NPUs have? NPUs are built to handle heavy inference tasks, right? Heavy AI inference tasks, and that too very efficiently at low power. You will find them in AI PCs, mobile phones, or edge devices. They specialize in deep learning workloads like the voice recognition, text classification, image labeling, etc. Their optimized architecture makes them a perfect companion to CPUs and GPUs, especially for real-time predictions. The companies like Huawei, Intel, and Qualcomm integrate NPUs into their chipsets. Right, let's get into VPUs. VPUs are tailored for vision, not just video, but also spatial awareness. They are ideal in robotics, drones, and AR/VR applications where a low latency image processing is the key. Unlike NPUs, VPUs handle depth mapping, object tracking, and real-time SLAM. Intel's Myriad and Google's Coral series are great examples. Their core strength, what is it? Real-time video stream processing without draining power or heating up your system. Alright, what are the key differences that these two guys carry? So how do you differentiate? How do you choose between NPU and VPU? Think function. NPUs are general purpose AI engines. VPUs are visual AI accelerators. While NPUs power things like recommendation systems or AI assistants, VPU drive applications that need to see the world and understand the same. NPUs often integrate with AI libraries like ONNX or TensorFlow. VPUs are better integrated with image sensor stacks and video pipelines. Alright, which one to choose? There is no ultimate winner here. It's about the job. Choose NPUs if your AI task is text or sound related. Choose VPUs for visual inputs. Some edge devices now combine both hybrid AI workloads. Your decision should be completely based on the type of the data you process, your latency needs, and your energy budget. In AI hardware, picking the right tool wins the right performance. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next session shortly.